I know all of you at home are concerned about disinfecting your house, but disinfectants are chemicals and they're not good to use around your family. Instead, I have one for you today that's a safe, natural one using tea tree oil. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 cups of water, and I just put it in my measuring cup. Add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar to that. Then you'll add 1/2 teaspoon of your favorite dishwashing detergent and just stir it up a little bit. Then we're going to take 20 drops of tea tree oil. There we go, 20 drops. Then we're going to put that into a spray bottle. We're going to spray, leave the surface damp for about 5 minutes. Then come back and wipe. That's all you need to do. And this is safe for food surfaces too. So all your family will be safe and healthy when you use this disinfectant. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter. And thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.